Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we would be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. Due to the positive surprise from the political front over the weekend, frontline indices opened with a massive upward gap to decisively hit a fresh lifetime high. Nifty ended the day 2.07% in the green, while Bank Nifty gained more than 3.6%, outperforming the frontline index. As the rally was mainly led by the frontline stocks, Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap index relatively underperformed yesterday, gaining 1.2% respectively. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index has displayed a series of lower highs and lower lows and is comfortably trading around 103 levels. Similarly, long-term yields, that is the US 10-year and the US 30-year yields, are in a downtrend. Brent crude oil is returning to its 5-month low levels as well. Overall, all these global factors are lining up in favor of the Indian equity markets. A quick check on the global markets. The S&P 500 is currently trading in the zone of 4,575, 4,600, where it may consolidate for a bit before heading towards levels of 4,710, 4,740 on the upside. Coming to Nifty levels, post the breakout above its all-time high, that is the levels of 20,222 on Friday. Follow-up action was witnessed in Nifty with a big gap up and the continuation of the uptrend right through the day, which led to the index finally closing 2% higher for the session. Going forward till 20,550, 20,600 acts as a strong support zone. Until the time this zone holds, index can extend its rally towards the levels of 20,800, 20,850 on the upside. While on the downside, a breakdown below 20,550 index can retest the support levels placed at 20,412, 20,380 zone. Coming to the open interest data, that is the weekly series OI data, significant call writing is witnessed in 20,800 and the 21,000 strikes, while on the put front it is being witnessed in 20,600 and the 20,500, where it witnessed considerable open interest addition, that is on the put side. So the overall range for the day could be 20,500 on the downside and 20,850 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty too created a fresh lifetime high, crossing the levels of 46,369, which was the previous all-time high, which was created in July 2023. Finally, after underperforming for more than 4 months, Bank Nifty has closed at a fresh all-time high above 46,400 levels. Nifty on a year-to-date basis has gained 15%, while Bank Nifty has gained about 10% on a year-to-date basis. And we feel that with the current positive momentum, Bank Nifty has gathered once again in the likes of ICICI Bank, Kotak, HDFC breaking out of the consolidation zone. Bank index could outperform from here on to reduce the gap of underperformance as compared to Nifty. The immediate support for Bank Nifty is likely to be the zone of 46,000, 46,100. Until 46,000 holds, the index can manage to extend its rally towards the levels of 46,810, 46,870 zone on the upside. In case 46,000 breaks, index can retest its next support placed at the levels of 45,700, 45,800. Even if we see the OI data, that is for Bank Nifty, significant built up is seen in 46,200 and 46,000 puts, while on the call side it is seen in 46,500 and 47,000 calls, implying a broad range of 46,100 on the downside and 46,850 on the upside for the bank index. Stocks and sectors in momentum. Nifty PSU Bank was the best performing sectoral index for the day, and strong buying was seen in Can Bank, Bank of Baroda and PNB. Strong momentum was witnessed in private sector banks as well, the likes of HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak, witnessing a breakout of a long-term consolidation. That is, Kotak Bank witnessed a breakout after a considerable period of time. Realty stocks like Godrej Property, Oberoi Realty, DLF, Prestige and Shobha continue to do well, while favorable chart structure is also seen in the infra and associated stocks like L&T, Ambuja Cement, ACC, NBCC, GMR Infra and NCC. This is likely to do due to the market discounting further political stability as far as infra projects are concerned. From the broader market perspective, bullish setup was observed in BPCL, Hind Petro, ONGC, Siemens, Ultra Temco, Max Healthcare, REC, LIC, Cyient, CESC, Radico, Century Textile Limited, respectively. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash segment, FI is bought to the tune of 2000 crores, while DI is also bought to the tune of 4800 crores. Coming to the FI long short ratio, the FI long short ratio has recovered to 44% as they squared off about 21,800 index futures net short contracts. On the stock futures front, FIs have bought to the tune of 42,200 contracts, while on the options front, FIs bought almost 2.4 lakh call contracts as well as 18,900 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.